Making slime.
It's the most popular thing in Sweden.
First you put the glue. All around glue.
Look.
Shaving cream.
Wow.
And then
What's that?
contact lens fluid. Yeah. Inte mycket. Not too much. Oh, look what happened. Oh, that's sticky. Oh.
Oh, like a marshmallow.
Breadcrumb and the milk. And it's supposed to wait for 1 hour or minimum 10 minutes. So that's what we'll start with.
And you need to tell us what are you going to make.
Meatballs and mashed potato.
So that's the classic Swedish food.
Yes. Traditional. Super Swedish food.
Wow! What's going on here now?
Inget bra till det.
So this is the bread powder. And I need to add some milk.
And then let it sit. Mix it around.
Minimum 10 minutes.
Yeah, minimum 10 minutes.
Chop onion. So what's the next?
What's next step? Mix.
Mix what?
This one.
Grain beef and
Egg, salt, pepper, onion, fried onion. Just mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. You need to very finely mix.
I wanna show you. I wanna show everyone. Bread powder, like a porridge. Ooh, very gross. Egg already inside.
Salt. Need the salt because Swedish love the salt. Mama. Pepper. In the porridge.
Yeah.
Big power. And onion.
NPC så en tjej som
Moist your hands with cold water. And then pick a meatball. And you decide the shape yours or the size yourself. This might be very small, but we'll take it. So that means it's gonna be many meatballs.
If I use dry hands,
You will stick your hand. Now you see it sticking to my hands means my hand is too dry. And we try the rolling. Yeah, messy.
You will get dirty making these meatballs.
Yeah, that's why everyone buys the pre-made.
So nobody wants to.
Don't be so violent when you drop them. See, they come flat.
No? Okay.
Yeah, gentle with the meatballs. Handle. You call that a ball?
Different ball.
No different shape. No alternative meatballs.
Add butter and mash it. Oh my god, so hard.
Put the cream back.
Cream? Okay.
Mash, mash. Mash, 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 mash. And salt. Swedish loves salt.
Everything adds salt.
Almost finished now. And you need strong man. Swedish man.
Swedish mighty
See how
man.
it make a fire. Here's your potato.
Very nice to your food.
Here's your potato.
It's not easy to make a meatball and mashed potato.
No. That's why.
So why Swedish love to make this dish?
Viking. Strong man.
Too much effort.
Cream sauce is called.
You add flour and milk and white
Butter.
cream, butter, and the soy sauce is very important. Swedish will use soy sauce,
Yeah.
and I'm not sure what's this.
Worcester. Worcester sauce. Worcester. It's a very hard to say. You say it.
Worcester.
You heard it.
Our meatball meal is ready. Someone replaced Tia to make a slime.
You got tired in our arm and now I'm tired.
喜欢我的影片的话，记得分享跟订阅哦。我们下次见，嘿喽！